Hello my friends, welcome back here to the Pistacchio graphic channel. For today I have this hose connector that I will create using just one profile for the revolve. I created this drawing to help you for design this project. This drawing is in my ebook. If you can download here on the first link of the description and you can follow the instructions. Let's start. Create a sketch. Select here the plane. Create a line that will be a center line. You can start create another line here that will be a construction line. Now I can start create some lines here, here and here. This distance needs to be 10 millimeters. This profile is 20 millimeters. This point with the center line 24, and this point with the center line is 26 millimeters. Move that and constrain that point with the 34 millimeters diameter. Okay, now we can create the other profile here, here, and here. This distance is 15 millimeters and constrain that point with the 24 millimeters and that point with 26 millimeters. That is the second profile, and repeat the process here and here. This is 15 millimeters and constrain with the vertical 24 and 26. Now we have our profile. Remember, just the first tooth is 10 millimeters and the next two is 15 millimeters. Now we can continue creating here. This diameter is 24. Continue creating here. Create the profile. Create this line and create another line. This second line is a normal. You can close this profile here and that point. 24 millimeters. This distance is 3 millimeters with 21 millimeters diameter. This is 26 millimeters diameter. Return here to the design. And the distance is 5 millimeters. This is 38 millimeters with a diameter of 47 millimeters. 47 millimeters. And here we have to create another segment. We can cut this and connect these two profiles. Now these are 37 millimeters diameter here, and the distance to the top point to the bottom is 49. This line, that line is 49 millimeters, and the distance of this line to the top line here is 57. And now we have our profile done. We can finish the profile. Use the Remove tool, select all, full remove, and now we can apply some features for this part, that is creating a new plane that will be 24.5 millimeters distance. Create a new sketch in that new plane. P for project, this line and this line. Click here. Create a rectangle by the center. Click here and here. Align that with the vertical. Apply 2 millimeters. Here and here. And the distance of this line to that line is 2.5 millimeters. Here and here, 2.5 millimeters. Finish the sketch. Now we can use here on the Create tab the Emboss tool. Select the profile. Select the face. This will be 1 millimeter. The effect is Emboss and click OK. Now we can apply some fillets. Here on these corners. Here 0.9 millimeters. And repeat with the rectangular pattern. Change it to circular. Select the features, the fillet and the emboss tool. Select the axis, that is in my case the Z axis, and repeat 16 and click OK. Another fillet here with 2 millimeters. And to finalize the project, we can add some colors. We can change here some faces for the yellow color to be a little bit easier to identify the project. And now the hose connector is done. Thank you for watching this video. I want to thank all the subscribers all around the world. There is many countries that watch my videos. I want to thank all the members that support my work on the thanks.com. Thank you so much. And remember to download my free ebook to follow the drawings. And see you in the next video. Thank you so much.